Hello everyone, and today we are exploring this stylish MYH white round dining table for your home. This 31.5-inch table features a durable MDF surface that is very easy to clean. Sturdy wood legs provide a strong structure and include adjustable foot pads for perfect balance. It is the ideal choice for small spaces while comfortably seating up to 4 people. The mid-century modern design blends a minimalist aesthetic that fits perfectly in any room. You can use it as a cozy kitchen table or even a sleek round office desk. Assembly is incredibly simple and takes only 15 minutes using the included clear instructions. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.